This one is a little bit weird. And you guys may, I don't know if you are going to recall having been close to here during our trip to Shenzhen, whenever that was, the 5th tallest skyscraper in the electronics district in Huaqiang Bay. You remember, we were there.
Yeah.
So
right in the thick of it.
We were right there for a while, hanging out that part of the city. Anyway, this big skyscraper just started shaking, and they didn't know why. It wasn't like all the buildings were shaking; just this one building started shaking. You can go play the video. There's a video clip. It was trending on Weibo. It just starts like wobbling back and forth, and everybody scrambles out of the building. It's not a small building. This thing here, it has 70 stories. I got to tell you, how are you going to react to something like that? Well, now the electronics mall is right on the bottom there, so we were there.
Huh. Yeah, that's terrifying.
Now, they came afterwards, by the way, and they checked it out. They said, there's no cracks, nothing. Come back to work. You going back or what?
No.
Is it possible?
I like the guy. Hold on, Will. Get ready to pause.
Oh.
Orange shirt?
No, the guy running with the cigarette in the
Oh, there.
mouth.
You like that? Yeah.
I don't know. What do you...
Yeah, the cigarette's not going to help the cardio while you're running.
No.
Yeah, so this went viral. The mysterious shaking of the 20-year-old building, more than 70 stories, mostly staff and small companies that rent the office space in the tower fleeing through the streets around lunchtime. I mean, a 70-story building, if it were to fall, you got to be pretty far away to not be affected. So you got to be running to get, But that we were underneath that thing in the mall portion. People were wondering, okay, what do you do? How do you follow up on something like that in order to determine when you reopen it and when the retailers and the businesses can come back in?
You spend a week. You do an engineering investigation thing.
Preliminary inspections by on-site experts found that there are no safety-related abnormalities in the building structure or surrounding environment. The government said in a statement, there are no cracks found in the ground nearby. The interior steel structure was normal, and curtain wall panels and other decorative surfaces did not fall off or sustain damage. So you're just going back to work the next day?
Not the next day, no.
How long do you need?
I need a week.
But what's going to happen in a week?
Oh, they can tell me.
So if it stands for another week after that, then you're back to the 70th floor. Very unusual look. I mean, maybe it's possible. I hope some engineer or architect or something can tell us why one single building would just wobble for a while and still be okay.
Well, you mentioned it's the tallest, right? Maybe it's just
no, it's the 5th tallest.
Oh, well, maybe it's just high winds in that specific area. No other.
But there's way taller buildings over there.
Yeah.
The 10-cent building or whatever it was. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, there's some reason here. Obviously, the video clip is out there. It looks like a real thing that happened. We need the engineers to weigh in on this.